What's good mga kakila? It's your boy C Genesis back at it again with another video. In today's video, meron ako mga pickups galing New Balance and a Bape Ape. Kaya stay tuned and let's start this video. I'm gonna start off with my Bape pickups. I got two shorts from Bape. It's actually a basketball shorts. It's their ABC basketball shorts, and the first colorway that I got is their red, pink, white colorway. As you can see, meron siyang white, red, and pink camo print in front, mostly in front and at the back. And they got the red color mesh sa left and right side with the Bape Star logo, both left and right. And of course, in the middle, there's their Bape writing in the middle. So it really reminds you of those Mitchell & Ness and Just Don collab ng mga shorts. So I like this shorts. I got it for retail. I think it's not bad. I got a size small. So gusto ko dito yung mga thick linings ng shorts na to. Very classic looking talaga with that good contrast of blue and white. They have it in the bottom and in the sides. And this shorts has two pockets, both in the left and right side. It's a zipper pocket, so you can zip it up and close it or zip it down. Yeah, very cozy, definitely for summer. That's my first pickup from Bape. Second colorway, my second pickup from Bape Ape is their black and gray colorway. As you can see, same exact model, iba lang yung mga kulay. We have the Bape in the middle as well. Same Bape Star on the sides, left and right with the zippers. And the lining is black and gray. This could be worn with most of my things in my closet, with sneakers. It's easier to pair with. Same, I got it for retail. These ABC basketball shorts from Bape are definitely cheaper than the Just Dons and Mitchell & Ness. I think it's a good pickup for me. I love these shorts. Love the print. Love the quality. Love the mesh. And yeah, those are my pickup from Bape Ape. Right now, New Balance HK is having a buy 3 get 50% off sa New Balance, kaya hindi ko pinalampas at bumili ako ng mga sapatos. So first pickup is a not so famous model sa New Balance. It's your New Balance Traditionnels. Alright, kung makita nyo, ito ang nakasulat sa box, size 9. Kasi medyo masikip yung size 8.5. Usually 8.5 ako sa mga New Balance. Pero for this pair, I got it size 9 US. And so as you can see, white and black, and it reminds me of a clone trooper sa Star Wars. Simpleng black and white and small off-white or beige sole. Sobrang simple lang. Gusto ko yung netting dito. Purely mesh and leather. Very basic setup sa New Balance Traditionnel. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, yung pop of colors lang niya. As you can see, there you go. And may pink and blue sa likod din. And the left pair has a pink dot, and this right pair has a light blue dot. And so very simple shoe. I got this for 250 HKD. So that's a steal. Pang Arabas ng New Balance. It doesn't have the N logo, the New Balance logo, pero meron nakasulat na New Balance dito. Ayan. So, a very different New Balance sa mga nakikita nating 990s or mga 1500s. Pero it looks unique and I dig the colorway and it reminds me of a Cologne Trooper. So, that's our first sneaker galing New Balance. So for our second pickup sa New Balance, we got a hybrid sneaker. It's a hybrid of two classic, one made in US and one made in England. It's your 1500.9 made in England. And as you can see, this is a hybrid of the 1500s upper and the 990 V3s, and so they mix both of two classics, one from England, one from the US, and I think this looks cool, definitely looks different, at the same time looks familiar. Itong colorway na to nagustuhan ko talaga. Sobrang ganda ng mga contrast niya with the light gray with small black hints in front sa my toe box and the darker grays dito sa mid side with the New Balance logo stitched with white and black outer linings. And of course, you have that purple pigskin suede also in the upper. Sobrang ganda talaga ng quality ng pigskin suede ng New Balance. So even though the bottoms are 990 V3s made in the US, this whole shoe is made in England. As you can see, sa tang New Balance made in England nakasulat. They also have the logo at the back. And 1500.9 dito sa my heel area, just in the purple area. Yeah, very nice setup. Mostly suede with small hints of mesh and white mesh. This comes with two laces, one in white and one in black. So I think I'm gonna be wearing the white for now. And of course, if you're not familiar with the soles, 990 V3s, but this is in a mix of black and white with the end cap in turquoise. Of course, dito sa bottom interaction, it's the same as the 990 V3s. Of course, everybody loves that carbon fiber. And so I got this for 1,100 HKD. I think the retail price dito sa Hong Kong netong 1500.9 are 1,899. I got it for the low. I think sobrang steal to para sa akin. Of course, I love the colorway. I love the pop of purple here. That's the second pickup from New Balance. So my third pickup from New Balance is a basketball sneaker. It's New Balance's Omn1 Lows. As you can see, I got the purple and neon green colorway because this shoe reminds me a lot of a Nike Kobe colorway. Yeah, I just love the contrast of that purple and the neon green. And sobrang excited ako itry ito sa basketball court. I think it's my first time trying a New Balance basketball sneaker. Para maiba naman kasi it's always gonna be your Nike basketball shoes or your Adidas basketball shoes. And yeah, I think it's a good change. I went for the low cut because I prefer low cut sneakers more. I mean, I rarely go for high cut sneakers for basketball, pero when I'm playing basketball, I need a low cut sneaker. Got a mesh upper and they got some small print or patterns. As you can see, like it's like a diamond patterns mesh na to, and black laces, and you can see the Omn1s on top there with the neon green and purple. And the bottom, as you can see, has a nice traction. It's a herringbone. I think it's good and it's very thick. Definitely will be using this for outdoor, and hopefully it grips properly and grips good. And as you can see, there's a NB logo. This cushion actually reminds me of a old Nike sneaker, old basketball sneaker. I think it's the Nike Hyperdunk Lows Lunar Lawn cushion. So medyo similar sila because I played with a Lunar Lawn Hyper Dunks, and when I tried this on, it really reminded me of that sneaker. So I think this is gonna be a good cushion, good impact protection. Ang nakasulat dito, it's called the Fuel Cell. Very excited for these basketball sneakers. I went a half size down kasi when I tried on this US9, medyo loose siya dito. I'm usually a size 9 sa Nike basketball and Adidas basketball, pero dito I went down a half size kasi sobrang haba. I had spaces sa heel and also sa front foot. Kaya when I tried on the 8.5, I think the fit got way better, and I just stick with 8.5 US. So if you have the chance to try it on, make sure you do kasi iba-iba yung mga paa natin, just to make sure and not to waste our time and money. Try it on before you buy your Omn1s from New Balance. Last but not least, the last pickup I have, actually it's a gift from my girlfriend. She got it for me sa birthday ko recently. It's one of my favorite sneakers of this year and the last year. Ang tagal ko na talagang hinihintay itong sneaker na to, and she got me one. It's New Balance's 990 V5s. So she got me this olive green or forest colorway, mainly pigskin suede and mesh upper, as you can see. Kung hindi kayo masyadong familiar sa 990 V5s, it's a updated version ng 990 V4s. They had some small tweaks to change from the V4s to the V5, mainly the breathable mesh sections pinalitan nila. So now they have 3 in front and meron dito sa sides, and also of course the PU ring na ginamit nila dito, as you can see that. So those are some small tweaks from 990 V4s to the 990 V5s, and you can still see the similarity ng 990 V4s here. Definitely noticeable pa rin. So they got some 360 reflective accents din dito. Itong medyo charcoal gray or darker gray na kulay of lining, and definitely wonderful stitching. The stitching is in green and olive as well, pero yung mesh niya pati yung suede, I think it's a bit different. Medyo teal ng konti itong mesh, yung kulay ng mesh from the olive, medyo different lang sila. And then the end logo is actually a different tone of green. It's like a lighter green. Of course, leather outer lining with stitching. At the back, you can see there's number 5 patched light green leather, and of course the NB logo. Also in front, they have the NB logo and the toe area. So they have white sole, also olive green, hints of olive green end cap, as you can see. So you also have made in the USA satang niya, and also 990 V5 satang. And so this comes with just the olive laces, wala siyang extra or additional laces. And of course, inside they have that ultra soft ortholite cushioning inside, which makes this very comfy. Kaya ko tong suotin the whole day. I can't believe na these sneakers are more comfier than other Nike sneakers or Adidas sneakers. Yeah, very sought after New Balance. One of the most famous models, 990s. But this is the V5s. She got me a size 8.5 US, which is my go-to size in New Balance. Definitely a nice shoe. I'm so in love with this. Definitely will be rocking this more and more, lalo na sa fall. So that's it for my New Balance and a Bating Ape pickup video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. If you like this kind of videos, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.